Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we have an amazing piece that truly stands out when it comes to bathroom comfort and convenience: the Boulphia shower foot rest. If you're looking for the perfect shower stool, look no further. This is by far one of the best options available. Let's talk about the construction first. This stool is made from durable acacia wood, a material known for its strength and resistance to moisture. It's ideal for humid environments like your bathroom, where you need something sturdy that can handle the elements. The acacia wood is not only practical but also brings a touch of elegance to your bathroom with its natural wood color. Plus, the stainless steel screws make sure everything stays in place, avoiding rust and ensuring the stool lasts for years. One of the standout features of this stool is its design. With its 14-inch height and compact 8.7-inch by 15.19-inch dimensions, it fits perfectly into smaller shower spaces. It's a corner shower stool, so it doesn't take up much room, making it ideal for cramped bathrooms. But don't be fooled by its size. This stool has a lot of functionality packed into it. It's perfect for those moments when you need to shave your legs, trim your nails, or just relax while you shower. The top of the stool serves as a comfortable footrest, while the bottom features a spacious storage shelf. You can store your towels, shampoos, or other bathroom essentials down there, keeping your shower space organized and tidy. Another great thing about the Boulphia shower foot rest is its versatility. You're not just limited to using it in the shower. This stool can easily double as a side table or a plant stand in your living room or bathroom. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, it's a stylish and functional piece that can serve multiple purposes. The assembly is straightforward, taking less than 5 minutes to put together. The instructions are easy to follow, and all the necessary tools, like screws and a wrench, are included in the package. So, you can set it up without any hassle and start enjoying it immediately. For those of you who value both form and function in your bathroom accessories, the Boulphia shower foot rest is the perfect solution. It offers durability, style, and practicality, making it one of the best shower stools on the market. Whether you're looking for comfort while shaving or a place to store your bathroom essentials, this stool checks all the boxes. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in making your bathroom experience more comfortable, be sure to check out the Boulphia shower foot rest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you next time.